Most people know the Tesla Model 3 for its impressive range, quick acceleration, and minimalist design. But underneath that clean exterior is a long list of clever features that many owners never fully discover. Some of these hidden features make daily driving easier. Others improve comfort, convenience, and even battery efficiency. So today, we're counting down some of the coolest hidden features of the 2027 Tesla Model 3 that you probably didn't notice. Let's dive in. Hidden feature number 1. Continuous software updates. Unlike most cars that stay the same after leaving the dealership, the Model 3 continues evolving through over-the-air software updates. Tesla regularly introduces new functions, performance improvements, interface refinements, and bug fixes without requiring a service visit. Your car can literally gain new capabilities while sitting in your driveway. Hidden feature number 2. Smart route planning. The navigation system does much more than provide directions. When you're taking a long trip, it automatically plans charging stops, estimates battery usage, and even prepares the battery before arriving at a supercharger for faster charging. Everything happens in the background, making road trips surprisingly simple. Hidden feature number 3. Remote vehicle control. Using the Tesla mobile app, you can control many parts of the vehicle before you even open the door. You can preheat or cool the cabin, monitor charging, unlock the car, locate it in a parking lot, and even check battery status from almost anywhere. It's one of the most useful features for everyday ownership. Hidden feature number 4. Driver profiles. If multiple people drive the same car, the Model 3 automatically remembers individual preferences. Seat position, mirror settings, steering wheel adjustment, climate preferences, and even driving settings can change instantly when a different driver enters the vehicle. It saves time and makes sharing the car much easier. Hidden feature number 5. One-pedal driving. Many first-time EV buyers overlook how convenient regenerative braking really is. After a few days, many owners barely touch the brake pedal during normal driving. Not only does it make driving smoother, but it also helps recover energy while slowing down, improving efficiency at the same time. Hidden feature number 6. Voice commands. The voice assistant controls much more than navigation. Drivers can adjust climate settings, search for destinations, play music, open the glove box, and operate several vehicle functions without touching the screen. It makes interacting with the minimalist cabin much easier while keeping your attention on the road. Hidden feature number 7. Hidden storage space. Most people expect cargo space in the rear trunk, but the Model 3 also includes a front trunk, hidden compartments beneath the rear floor, and clever interior storage areas that maximize practicality. There's much more usable space than many buyers expect from a compact electric sedan. Hidden feature number 8. Sentry Mode. When parked, Tesla's Sentry Mode uses external cameras to help monitor activity around the vehicle. If suspicious movement is detected, the system can record footage and alert the owner through the mobile app. It's an extra layer of security that many drivers appreciate. Hidden feature number 9. Cabin preconditioning. Before leaving home, you can warm or cool the cabin directly from your smartphone. In hot summers or freezing winters, stepping into a comfortable cabin without waiting for the temperature to adjust becomes a luxury you'll quickly get used to. Hidden feature number 10. Entertainment while charging. Charging doesn't have to be boring. While parked, the Model 3 offers access to streaming services, games, music, internet features, and various entertainment options through its large touchscreen. It helps make charging stops feel much shorter. The 2027 Tesla Model 3 is packed with features that many people never notice during a quick test drive. It's these small details that make everyday ownership feel smarter, easier, and more enjoyable. So, which hidden feature surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Autos for more Tesla reviews, EV buyer guides, and the latest automotive updates.